Today I will teach you how to deploy a React application using Docker in just 1 minute. You are going to need Docker, VS Code and Nginx. Here I have a basic React project and I've been working on this recently. It's not complete yet, but we're gonna make work with what we have right now. First I will install all the necessary packages using npm install command. Then we will create a Docker file. The location of this file should be in root folder. We can just name this as Docker file, simple as that. Now we will write some basic commands in 2 stages, which will run all together when the Docker image is generated. In stage 1, we will write the commands to build the application and embed all the necessary packages in the build. In this, first we will declare the node version for build stage, and then we will declare the work directory where all the code is stored. And then we will put all the npm building and running commands here. In the second stage, we will write the code to serve the application with Nginx server. In this, first we will declare the Nginx version for serving the application and then copy the build HTML and expose that to the port 80. And then we will just write the command to run Nginx server using cmd. Now, as we are in the Docker desktop and I've already installed this in my PC, you can just download Docker desktop from the link in the description. Now we need to pull the Nginx image from the Docker hub. Now remember to pull the image only which you've mentioned in the Docker file, like in the VS Code. As I'm using Nginx Alpine here, so I will pull the stable Alpine version. As you can confirm with the check mark that this image is pulled in Docker. You don't need to run this or anything, just let it be. You can also double check by going to the image panel and see Nginx image is stored here. Now back in the VS Code, we need to test if our React application is working fine. So for that, we will just run npm start here. And as you can see, my application is running fine on localhost without any errors. Now, we will build the React application using Docker and generate our own Docker image. Now, once this has been built, it's gonna take a while. We can easily run this using simple docker run command, which will run the application on port 8080. You can also choose a different port if you want. Now, if you go to the Docker desktop, you can see this running, and by clicking here, you can just navigate to your React application. Now you can see, even if you close the VS Code, we can just come here on Docker desktop and start this again without any hassle, and we don't even need to build the code again and again. You can easily deploy any other Node.js project as well, such as this one, by going through all the same process. And happy coding! Peace! Please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of new videos.